In this video, I'm going to explain how to use credits on JoyaGoo. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to joyagoo.com and you want to sign into your account. And then whenever you click on your account icon at the very top right, you can click on My Account. And then here on the left, inside My Assets, you can see it says My Credits. However, when you go in here, currently I have none, but for you, you may have some credits and you may be asking yourself how to actually use these. Now, actually, I've seen some posts online on how this is going on, so what's actually happening with these credits. So what's going on with these is that their website, so JoyaGoo, from time to time, they will open different activities in here and then different rewards and different kind of things you'll be able to redeem for the specific points. But of course, this is not happening all the time. So if you're going in here and you can't see anything inside your credit details or your redeem record in here, and you are still having some of these credits, that means that currently there's no offers available. However, when new offers come up here and new different activities, as they called it in that post I've seen, then you'll be able to essentially redeem your credits and, of course, get some stuff for yourself as well using your credits that you've obtained in your account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.